I'm gonna show you how to make this really cool watercolor geode painting today. So the first step is to come up with your composition. You can think about whether you want to do 2 geode shapes or 1 big one or a few small ones. To make it easy, we'll do 1 big one kind of in the center. So the first step is to kind of draw a jaggedy geode shaped line. And actually the more imperfect it is, kind of the more interesting it looks. We're gonna keep doing that until you get all the way to the center. So the next step is we're gonna outline the geode with a Sharpie to kind of give it a bolder effect. So we've outlined the geode, and then now we're gonna pick our color scheme. You wanna be careful not to pick colors that could bleed together and kind of turn brown. I generally use analogous colors, which are colors kind of next to each other in the rainbow. So I'm going over each light pencil line of the geode with a color pencil, and I'm doing it, it's obviously not very perfect, as you can see. Just wanna get the general shape. Okay, so we've completed coloring the lines of the geode, and then now we're gonna add the watercolor effect. Carefully go over each line of the geode. And I like to leave a little bit of white between each color so it gives a little more contrast. All right, so here's our rainbow geode. Now we're gonna actually set this aside to dry, and the next step is adding some glitter to kind of give it an extra fun effect. Pick a few random lines in the geode and add glue to them. Sprinkle the glitter on top of our white glue line. Dump the excess on the plate. There you have it, a really beautiful geode watercolor painting. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Tag me with your creations and check out my other videos on my YouTube channel.